Priya. I am from Hyderabad, currently staying in Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation in Vishweshwara College of Engineering and Technology with a degree of Computer Science and Engineering with CGPA 7.28, and I joined Jspiders in the month of October. I have completed my B.TECH by Reshma ma'am, and I have completed SQL by Karishma ma'am, and Java by Manjunath sir, and Advanced Java by Ravi sir, and React.js by Shivanand sir. I have applied for a test engineer role from Jspiders. It helped me a lot for communication skills and improving by mock presentations in class. Everyone is giving presentations. By that we can improve our communication skills as well as our subject also.